Well, here I've been doing some work on the brake drums, and after I got them cleaned up and then sandblasted, I noticed I got a few hairline cracks here. You can see that on the back side too, right here in this area. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can get another used pair. My brother-in-law has an H that I've been robbing parts off of, so I'm going to see what his brake drums are like on that. But this one is for the right. I do have, you can see here, there's a groove war out here towards the end. And where you see that black mark on the inside is where I have the seal set to ride when I assemble this back on there, so it won't affect the seal and that. There's this groove that's in here. You can actually feel that. I didn't measure it, but it is, I'd say, quite a few thousandths deep. But I do have the left side in the lathe here, and I just finished polishing that up. And here again you can see where the seal did ride on there. And this one isn't bad though. I mean, you can't hardly feel anything there, but I'm gonna be riding where that black mark is, and that towards the inside of that drum. So what I'm going to do now is clean out those splines real good, and then I'm just going to touch these outside where that band actually grabs onto it. And with this left side, I also got a crack in there too. You can see it. It must be a common place for them to crack, as both of them are cracked in the same spot. So I'll have to see if I can get some better ones. Well, here you can see I got the brake drums on, greased everything up real good, and greased the seal and put them on. I don't have it torqued down 100% yet. I'm going to be checking to see if my brother-in-law's got a couple of H's up on his farm there, and I'm going to check out the drums on those. You can see here got a slight crack in there, and don't want to chance it. I did put the brake drum on this side, and I just dry fit the cover on there with the brake band. You can see how that brake band is in there and everything. So I won't put the covers on till after I get the top cover on the transmission, which is coming any day now. I'm pretty close to buttoning the transmission up, and then I'll get the wheel hubs back on and the tires, and then I'll take it off the back part of the stand here that's on the PTO mounting surface, and get the PTO shaft all mounted in there. I might put the PTO shaft in before I put the top cover on. That way I can get everything lined up in there. There's a little bronze bushing the PTO shaft has to go in, and here, I'll get a flashlight and we can, you can see the spline drive there for the PTO, and then the bronze bushing that the PTO shaft rides in. So that'd be a lot easier to get in there with the top cover off. So yeah, so we got the brakes going. Things If I can't get any other drums for that, all the drums I've been finding on the internet all seem to have cracks in them too. So I don't want to buy something that's got problems already. But and then I was reading on some of the international tractor forums, there's a lot of these brake drums out there on the H's and M's that do have cracks in them. So we'll see what I can find up on my brother-in-law's farm, and maybe I can get some that don't have any cracks in them. So well, here what I did is I flipped the top cover of the transmission upside down on my hydraulic lift cart, and I've just been cleaning all the gasket surface up. I just got most of the debris scraped off, and now I'm gonna clean it real good with some brake cleaner, get any more residue or anything. There was a couple of spots where I felt some little burrs, so I'll take a file and hit those. But yeah, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up and get it ready to pop it onto the main housing here and get that buttoned up. I do want to put the PTO shaft in first though. I think that's going to help out a lot, getting the end of the PTO shaft in the bushing. So yeah, we're moving along on it.